In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track sales and listings on Facebook Marketplace in 2026. To get started, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website. Once you're in, click or tap on the Marketplace icon. From there, select your profile icon, then open your listings. This is the main area where you can manage and review everything you've posted for sale. Inside your listings, you'll be able to browse your active, pending, expired, and sold items. This is the easiest way to get a full snapshot of your marketplace activity. If you sell regularly, checking this section often can help you stay organized and make sure no listing gets overlooked. If you specifically want to track completed sales, stay in Marketplace, go back to your listings, and select the Sold tab. Here you can review all the items you've marked as sold. This is helpful if you want to quickly confirm what has already been completed without scrolling through your other listing types. You can also monitor how each listing is performing. For many listings, Facebook Marketplace shows useful details like the number of views, the number of saves when available, buyer messages, and the current listing status, such as active, pending, sold, or expired. These details give you a better sense of which items are attracting attention and which ones may need updates. For example, if a listing has a lot of views but no messages, you may want to improve the photos or description later. Another useful habit is keeping your own sales record outside of Facebook. You can create a spreadsheet to track details like the item name, date listed, selling price, date sold, payment method, pickup or delivery status, and even profit if you want a clearer picture of earnings. A buyer name can also be noted optionally, but be mindful about what personal information you store. Keeping a simple record like this makes it much easier to review your sales history over time. Finally, keep your listings organized by updating each item's status properly. Active means the item is still available. Pending means you've agreed to a sale, but it hasn't been completed yet. Sold means the transaction is finished. Expired means the listing has ended and may need to be renewed if the item is still available. By regularly checking your listings, reviewing sold items, watching listing performance, maintaining your own record, and updating statuses correctly, you can keep your Facebook Marketplace sales much more organized and easier to manage.